Hello humans. Today we will use a tool called GUI AI to create astonishing animations. Looks good. Don't forget to click on the button for more content like this, and let's jump into it. To use GUI AI, just click on the link in the description of the video or search it on our friend Google. You don't need to install anything, just log in with a Google account and you're ready to go. GUI AI already comes with 2 examples. You can see the result of them on the right side of the screen. What I suggest here, that you take those 2 examples and make little changes to the prompt to see the outcome. For example, I can change the description of the place on the box, for Paris for example, to see what happens. Or change the style of the video to include cartoon after 4K 8K. Thanks. And for more content like this, do not forget to subscribe.